Hello friends and welcome to a new crypto chat tutorial. So I'll suggest you guys to grab a coffee and enjoy it with the video until the end, because one lucky subscriber that commented to my Hefe video or any one of my last 3 videos, it has the chance to win 10 billion Hefe tokens. Today I'm going to show you how you can buy GainJuice token and how you can add it on your Trustwallet. The first step that you have to do is to go on Google Play on your phone and type in Trustwallet. It's coming up, install, and it's installing now. Now that we have it, we can open it. Because of the purpose of this video, I'll have to create a new wallet to show you how you can create a new wallet and how you can add up a token on that wallet. So first, go to create a new wallet. You have to read privacy policy and terms of service just for your due diligence. If you tick here, you're just proving that you accepted and read the terms of service and the privacy policy. Creating a password. Basically, the first thing before seeing your tokens and anything that you have in your wallet, it will ask you to back up your wallet now. This is very important thing. You have to back up your wallet. You have to save on a piece of paper your private key, your 12 words that Trustwallet is gonna give you. And do not ever but ever share with anyone, because this is the private key that is giving the access to your wallet. So you don't want a scammer or anyone to have an access to your wallet. So this is your key. You keep it for yourself. No share with your brother, sister, with nobody. For your safety. You have to tick all 3 boxes. Look, the last one is saying Trustwallet support will never reach out to ask for it. So if you have any problem, any issue with Trustwallet, never you're gonna be contacted by the team. Continue. And because we are doing the video today, it's coming up with a notification that BNB network is gonna upgrade on the 2nd of September. Probably they're gonna remove this post, so just go back. And here, your wallet was successfully created. So now we have our main wallet. You can enable your push notifications so you can see the movement of the token. It can help you not to miss any spikes or any dips, so you can buy. And here we are, we have the wallet. Now, how can we add GainJuice on this wallet? So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna take the contract address from Dex Screener and I'll import it to Trustwallet. And to can import it, you have to tap Add Tokens plus on the top right corner. You choose the network. So GainJuice, it's on BSC, it's not on Ethereum. If I put the contract address now here, nothing is gonna come up. It's not finding the token. But if you change the network to BNB Smart Chain and you paste, token is coming up. You press done in the top right corner and now you have GainJuice in your wallet. The next step now is how to buy this GainJuice. Where to find this GainJuice? So now that we have GainJuice on our wallet, it doesn't mean that we can buy or that we are holding at this moment GainJuice. In order to can buy the GainJuice, we need some money. We need to add some money. So the best way, I mean not the best way, but the way that I'm using to add that money, it's a bit detour, but I'm using Binance. I'll show you in a moment how I'm doing that, but before of that, if you go back to your wallet, you can see that you have GainJuice with the amount of 0 and all the other tokens with amount of 0. Yes, that's because it's brand new wallet, it's fresh, and we want to add some BNB or some USDT or some whatever. For the video, I will just add some BNB, Binance Smart Chain. You click on it and you click receive. This is the address. So you can copy the address or you can scan the QR code. Make sure that you send only BNB Smart Chain to this address. Sending any other coins may result in a permanent loss. Okay, it's a safety message there, so guys, be careful, take care, because if you mess with the networks and you send a token from its network to other network, that path does not exist yet, so you're gonna lose your tokens. I will copy the address. And now let's go on Binance to send the BNB. Now we need to transfer some BNB from Binance to Trustwallet. In order to can do that, you have to click on BNB in your wallet, withdrawal, send via crypto network. Got it? You paste the address here that you took from Trustwallet. Make sure to be BNB Smart Chain, Web20 address. and we want to send BNB. Minimum it's 0.01. I'll send 0.025 BNB to the wallet in order to buy some GainJuice. You have to confirm. You have to do your two-step authenticator. In my case it's with a message and with an email, and you have to submit. While you submit the request, your withdrawal is processing. Soon as I receive my money, it can take like hours, but usually it's going in minutes. So patience, because it all depends on the blockchain and the transactions. So this is the next step. The good thing with Trustwallet is that you're receiving a notification. It's not 0.025 because some BNB went as a commission. Now that we have that though, we can go back on our Trustwallet, we can refresh it, and we can see our amount of BNB. How to use this BNB to buy some GainJuice? I'll show you now, guys. Stay tuned. Make sure you are using the browser that is built in Trustwallet. Go on PancakeSwap, connect it to your wallet. It's asking you for permission. You connect, change the token here in GainJuice by pasting the address that we took before from Dex Screener. Import. Yes, this is a message. All the tokens, they have the same message. It's just to protect the investors. Import, and we have GainJuice now. We have 0.024 BNB to spend, and I want to buy 0.02 BNB in GainJuice. I just want to show you something, by the way, guys. If you try to swap now and to exchange it, ain't gonna work. And here is the message. So basically, when this message come up, check your slippage tolerance. In our case, we need 12% slippage. So you're going on the top right setting button of the window, change the slippage to 12%, click X, swap, confirm. You have to approve it. Here is saying all the information about your transaction. Approve. You have to authenticate it, and the swapping. We've got 6,600,000 GainJuice on the way. Here it is, transaction receipt. You can add GainJuice to your wallet by clicking here when you buy it. We have it already, so I'm gonna add it. Close. After the fees and everything, we have almost 6 million GainJuice. So going back to our wallet, we can see, refresh, we've got 0.0006 BNB and 6 million GainJuice almost. Pretty much, guys, this was the video for today. For how to buy GainJuice step by step using Trustwallet. Now let's jump to the airdrop. There are 7 participants in this giveaway. That's the number of comments I've got. So guys, make sure you leave in comments if you want to participate in regular airdrops, in regular giveaways. If Hefe token is the winner, I'm gonna respin and the reward it will be double. So guys, good luck to everyone. Let's spin. Spin, spin, spin. And we have a winner. Lyle Mile is the winner of this giveaway. Make sure you subscribe and comment. And soon new airdrop is coming and new tokens they are coming. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one.